Welcome to Crypto Pulse 24. If you're new to cryptocurrency, you've probably heard of Bitcoin, but what exactly is it? In this video, we'll break down Bitcoin in the simplest way possible, so you can understand why it's such a big deal. Let's get started. Bitcoin is a type of digital currency. Think of it as money that exists only online. But unlike the money in your bank account, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government or central bank. Instead, it's decentralized, meaning no single entity has authority over it. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was designed to allow people to send and receive money online without needing a middleman, like a bank. Bitcoin is often called digital gold because, like gold, it's scarce. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins created. This scarcity, combined with growing demand, gives it value. But Bitcoin isn't just valuable because it's scarce. It's also useful. You can use Bitcoin to make online purchases, transfer money internationally with low fees, and even as an investment. Bitcoin uses advanced cryptography to secure transactions, which makes it incredibly difficult to hack. However, since it's digital, you'll need to be careful about where you store it. Most people use digital wallets to keep their Bitcoin safe. You can use a hardware wallet for maximum security or a trusted exchange for convenience. Just make sure to protect your private keys, because if you lose them, you lose access to your Bitcoin. Bitcoin is exciting, but it's also volatile. Its price can rise and fall dramatically in short periods. Before you buy, make sure to do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, Bitcoin is just one of many cryptocurrencies out there, and it may or may not be right for you. And that's Bitcoin in a nutshell. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Have questions? Drop them in the comments and we'll be happy to answer. See you in the next video on